Is the old Roland Br1600 with CD. Adapter that did not work. Here's the new one that I just got in the mail. I just hooked it up to the machine. It did not work. I'm going to plug it in. Which does not go in all the way. I'm going to hit the power button. Nothing. Power button. Nothing. Nothing comes on. No lights. Nothing is working. Hold it down for maybe a second or two. Nothing. Maybe if I just push it just real quick. Nothing. This is a compatible adapter that was shipped to me. They said that would work. See if I can get it clear. Can't get any clear, but it's a AC adapter model PA 60 watt, input 100 to 240 volts. The output is a 12 volt. And it still does not work.